Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 6 launched just 4 months ago, but there have already been rumors about what could be in store for the next-generation book-style foldable from the South Korean giant. Samsung is reportedly gearing up to make its Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. We don't expect the Galaxy Z Flip 7 to launch until the summer of 2025. It's too early for rumors and leaks. Big change is that the camera setup is stacked vertically instead of horizontally. The Galaxy Z Flip May 7th come with 3 cameras. This third camera could be a zoom camera, something that the Flip series is currently lacking. The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is packing the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, also have 12 or 16 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of UFS 4.0 storage. Galaxy Z Flip phone will run One UI 7.1 on top of Android 15. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to launch in July 2025. Of course, we'll know more when the phone starts leaking. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.